Almost done with
Hi
this tower,
kids,
Snail.
today's story is going to be
And I've
so
got
much
just
fun.
the thing for the top of this turret.
Hey, listen carefully.
You came
This
back
story
for me,
has a
Professor
surprise.
Pinchy.
Of course, Shelley. A real friend never, ever leaves another behind, especially when they need help.
Good morning, Shelley. Are we ready for our grand castle building adventure?
Oh, yes, Percy. I found the perfect spot. Look.
Hi there, old shell. What are you doing?
Counting waves. It's peaceful.
Counting waves? That's too slow. Let's go.
You came back for me.
Of course. A real friend never leaves another behind. Wow, look at all those colors, Barnaby. It's like the sky is having a big, beautiful party just for us.
Our sandcastle was the best, Suki.
It was, Coco, and it was even better because we built it together.
You're right.
Wowie! Another beauty for my collection.
That's
the shell
amazing.
shore always has the best surprises. Ooh, Toby! Look! Over there! A shimmering, sparkling, magical flower! We ate! Wow! What a perfect day for a super-duper sandcastle! I'm going to build the biggest one ever! Teamwork makes it strong, remember? We just need a little more sand right here. Hey there, shiny shell! Want to help me build the biggest sandcastle ever? Oh, I'm too slow. I might ruin it. Whoa! Crabby! Help! Hold on, Shelley. I've got you. Grab my claw. Slow or fast, every shell counts. My claws are great for scooping big pies.
Almost done with this tower, Snail.
Perfect, Crab. And I've got just the thing for the top of this turret.
Wow!
Dear,